Getting started with Fotoware is easy. First, you simply log into the site using either SSO or your personal username and password. In the title bar, you can find several options to choose from. Click on your logo to return to the home page at any time. Here, you can see the navigation points to the archive overview, your albums, which contain collections of files to share and collaborate on, and your personal pinned collection. This bar can contain more than these icons, depending on the specific configurations of your system. If enabled, you can open here your shopping cart to see which files you want to order. If you want to upload content to Fotoware, simply do so by clicking here on the Upload button. If you have the permissions, you can change the settings and configurations of your Fotoware solution under the cogwheel. This will lead you to the configuration interface. Change your personal settings in the User menu. In the section in the middle, you can see the global search field. Start your search by entering a keyword here and clicking on Search. In this area, you can see your organization's archives. An archive represents a set of files that have been made available to one or more users. They can contain anything from a few files or up to several million. Every Fotoware site can have multiple archives, which can be set up using the configuration interface. When entering an archive, you can navigate within it by scrolling, using predefined smart folders, taxonomy filters, or by using the global search field, which is now up here. You can use these tabs to switch between the archives. If you want to carry out specific workflows with your assets, choose one or several by clicking here on the check mark. This will open the action bar, and you can carry out a workflow by clicking on the according action. For normal users, you usually have the option to download a file or to add it to an album. However, there may be more or less options, depending on your system configurations. When entering into the details of a file, you can see on the left your customized metadata views with the most relevant information you need. See also, for example, this marker icon here. Markers are small icons that are displayed on assets to quickly identify metadata information such as status, properties, or usage rights. They are highly customizable and quickly give you information specific to your organization. They can also be displayed on the thumbnails of your assets. Within those tabs up here, you can find additional metadata information. Your workflow actions can also be carried out here. Simply click on one of the quick buttons or choose an action in the drop-down menu here. If you want to learn more about the functions in Fotoware, visit learn.fotoware.com or check out some of our other videos for more tips and tricks.